Hey there, this is Jennifer from Platinum Skincare, and I'm standing in our lobby today, and I thought I would take a minute to show you our brand new FusionA Retinoid concentrate, maybe tell you a little bit about it, show you how to use it, so you deal with a little bit less irritation than maybe you would if you started using this gung-ho right from the very get-go. So let's tell you first off what's in this wonderful product. This has a combination of Retinaldehyde and Granactive retinoid and Retinol. So these are three very powerful retinoids. Retinaldehyde is a step right under tretinoin, and then Granactive retinoid is an ester of tretinoin, and then Retinol is a step right below Retinaldehyde. So that's just a little story about how retinoids work. So tretinoin is at the very top. That one is prescription only. Then Granactive retinoid kind of goes right off to the side. Right below that is your Retinaldehyde. Ta-da! And then Retinol. Below that is all the others that you find in the store shelves. Esters and all that good stuff. They're still great for your skin, just more gentle. So if you really want powerhouse type products and you don't want to get a prescription, this is where you go. You go for something like this. Now, this comes in 4 different percentages. We've got our 0.15, 0.25, 0.35, and 0.55. And you're thinking,
well, I just want to just jump to the top. I want to do 0.55 or 0.35.
No, you don't. No, you don't. You want to start at the 0.15, which is in my hand right here. Most people want to start at the 0.15. If you've been buying other retinoids over the counter, you still probably want to start with the 0.15. You're going to find this is much more powerful than most of the retinoids out there. And what you want to do is start off applying this probably about 3 nights a week and on another day as your skin acclimates. Because what we don't want to do is we don't want to deal with dryness and irritation and redness and sensitivity. That's not something that you have to go through. There's no need to be irritated and deal with all that downtime. Let's just do it every other day, every other day if you're really sensitive. And what I find, this is just a little tip here, it's the face seems to be okay. Maybe the eye area, and if you're getting onto like the neck and chest, they're always a little bit more reactive than your face. So you might reach a point where you can even put it on your face every day, but that neck and chest, that might be a little bit more sensitive, and you might be doing this only every other day or sometimes even every second or third day. So that's okay. You put it on as you can tolerate it. And as you go through this bottle is gonna have anywhere of, depending on how many pumps you're applying, you're gonna have at least 150 pumps in this bottle if you're doing 1 pump. If you're putting on multiple pumps, then you might get a little bit less usage, but this is gonna last you a few months. When you've gone through this bottle, if you're putting it on every single day and you're not dealing with any kind of irritation, then you can go ahead and bump up to the 0.25. Go ahead and use the 0.25, and with all retinoids, as your skin acclimates, you may move up in percentage. You may reach a point where you move up to our 0.55 luminosity. There is no rush. There is never, ever a rush to move to the top percentage of any acid, any retinoid. Actually, you want to take your sweet time. Never move to the top, because then where are you going to go? You want to take your time and move up slowly. So, just a couple of little hints. If you have never used retinoid before, this is your very first time, 0.15. If you have used retinoids before, you're maybe a long time over-the-counter retinoid user, you've used Retinol, I would say you're probably okay start with a 0.25. If you're coming to Platinum Skincare and you've used prescription Retin-A and you've used maybe the 0.025, I think you are okay to start with our 0.35. If you're coming to us and you are a long-term user of either the 0.05 or the 0.1, you will have no problem using our 0.55. All right, so that's really all I wanted to say. I just want to give you a little rundown on how to use this product, which product is going to work best for you, choosing your percentages, and hopefully that helped you. I hope so. If you have any other questions, we're here to help you. We're here Monday through Friday. You can always reach out to us. Email us at support@platinumskincare.com. Give us a call, 1-800-917-3155. We would love to help you and answer all your questions. Have a wonderful day.